In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Evernote faster. If you've been experiencing some lag or delays when using Evernote, especially on the web, don't worry. I've got a solution for you. We're going to explore a couple of straightforward techniques that can help significantly improve your experience. Now, I know it can be frustrating when an application you rely on doesn't run as smoothly as it should. Fortunately, there's a way to address these issues, and most of the time, it doesn't even require a lot of technical know-how. Let's begin by talking about one of the simplest ways to enhance performance on the web version of Evernote: clearing your browser cache. You see, when you use your web browser, it stores a lot of data, such as images and files, to help pages load faster in the future. However, over time, this cache can become cluttered and actually end up doing the opposite by slowing down your browsing experience, including how Evernote performs. Clearing the cache can free up space and improve the speed of loading pages. The exact steps for clearing cache will depend on the browser you're using, but generally, you can find this option in the Settings or Tools menu. Look for options related to browsing history or security, and you should be able to clear the cache with just a few clicks. You might be surprised at how something so small can make a significant difference. Another effective method is to try using a different browser altogether. Various browsers handle web tasks in slightly different ways, and sometimes certain applications simply perform better on some than others. If Evernote isn't running as smoothly on your current browser, switching to a different one, such as Chrome, Firefox, or another widely used option, could resolve the problem. Each browser has its strengths, so it can be worthwhile to experiment a bit to see which one works best with Evernote for you. Plus, switching browsers can also provide a fresh start, free from any issues your current browser might have accumulated over time. As we wrap up, it's important to remember that these are just two simple strategies for speeding up Evernote on the web. Regular maintenance of your browsing tools, like clearing cache or exploring other browsers, not only helps with Evernote, but can improve your overall internet experience. These small adjustments, made periodically, can keep your digital workspace running efficiently, saving you time and frustration in the long run. Give these suggestions a try, and hopefully you'll notice a speedier and more responsive Evernote. Thanks for watching, and here's to a more efficient, speedy note-taking experience.